deposits those minerals, putting formations downwards like these here, which we call stalactites. Now when those drops hit the floor, they still have minerals left over inside them, so those are then deposited and formations begin to go upwards, like these right here, which we call stalagmites. Now a great way to tell the difference between those two formations are stalactites hang tight from the ceiling, while stalagmites might reach the ceiling one day. Now sometimes after a long period of growth, they'll meet in the middle and form together, forming a formation like this one right here, which we call a column. But just so you all know how long this actually takes, these are called droopstone formations. These take approximately 120 years per cubic inch of growth. Now these different colors you are seeing around you are the different types of minerals they are made out of. The white is calcite, the blackish gray is manganese, the reddish brown is iron oxide, and you will see a fourth color today, which is green, that is actually cave moss. It is not natural to the cave. It is due to the lighting systems and the heat that they give off. And our next stop is just up ahead, over at our cavern's local fish market. All just passed beneath our natural bridge right here, which is a perfect example of how the mildly acidic water ate away at the weaker materials and left behind the harder, strong bedrock. Now these formations along the back wall are what we like to call the cavern's fish market. It is called this because those formations resemble fish that have been caught, cleaned, and hung out for sale. Now you may also notice that those formations are wet and dripping, which does mean that they are still active and growing today, unlike these right here on the ceiling, which look very dry and chalky looking. Those are dormant formations that are no longer active. Now those formations will continue to grow one day if water were to reach them again. Now, did any of you all have a guess at what type of fish these might be? We like to call these the cavern's rockfish. Now our next stop will be over in Pluto's chasm, but along the way, you all will be passing by Dream Lake. that is going to be a highlight on your tour today. That is the largest body of water in the entire cavern system at 2,500 square feet. It ranges from 18 to 20 inches at its deepest point, although it gives a perfect reflection of the ceiling, which does make it seem very deep. So if you all follow me, this is just around the corner ahead.
That's